Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do coordinate geometry exercise 7.2 third question. See Baba, what is the third question? To construct a sports day activity in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn in the chalk powder at the distance of 1 meter. See here, this is one rectangular shaped ground. See here, A, B, C, D. This is rectangular shaped ground. In this one, what is there means with chalk powder, see 1 meter to 1 line they are drawing like this. Okay. Next, what is there? 100 flower plots has been posted at the distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Along AD, 1 meter to distance to one flower pot is there. Like this, how many flower pots are there? 100 flower pots are there. Next, what is given? Niharika runs 1/4 at the distance of AD in the second line. See here. In this second line, Niharika is running. Second line she is running, and at the distance of, this is at the distance of, which distance she is running? 1/4 distance. AD to 1/4 distance she is running. Next, what is there? And posted a green flag. This second line, 1/4 distance she is run, and she posted a red flag. Red flag or what? Which flag? 1/4 at the distance. Second line, a green flag. Niharika posted green flag. Next, what is there? Preet runs 1/5. Preet runs 1/5 distance. 1/5 distance at the 8th line. 8th line, how much distance? 1/5 distance. 1/5 distance AD, 8th line, and posted a red flag. Niharika green flag and Preet red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? These two flags, both distance we have to find. If the first we will find the distance. Later what is there means distance find. If the Rasmi has posted a blue flag at the halfway of the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? See here what is there? Here to here how much distance is there? No? Middle, she is, what is her name? Rashmi. Rashmi, na? Rashmi, she wanted to flag, which color? Post her flag. See here, first what is there? Question, carefully listen. Yeah, see here, rectangular garden is there. Here linings with chalk piece, no baba. Here what is there? Flower pot, each place the distance AD as shown in the chalk. See here, drawn with the chalk powder. Chalk powder, they are drawing lines. Next, here flower pots are there. These flower pots, how much distance? 1 meter distance is there. This is 1 meter distance, like these lines with chalk powder they are drawing in the ground. Already, you know, I think in playground they will do like this. In this one, what is there? So see here, first Niharika and Preet. Niharika, which row she is running? Second row. And she is running second row. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. First Niharika coordinates we have to find. Carefully see here. Niharika coordinates, what is there? Second row she is running. So this is the second, 2. And she ran how much in 100 meters? 100 flower pots are there. She is run how much? 1/4 she ran. 1. See here, 1/4 of 100. 1/4 of 100 means 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So this y-axis answer is 25. See here, this is the second row. You write here second, and y coordinates you have to find means 1/4 she run. So here 100 flower pots are there, 100 meters is there. So 1/4 by 100 means you will get the 2. Here 225 is the coordinates. Next we will come Preet. Preet coordinates we have to find. See here, Preet is there means this is which row? 8th row. X-axis what is there? 8th one. Next here Preet 1/5 of the distance of AD. AD distance, this is she is 1/4. E is 1/5. So 1/5, carefully see, 1/5 of 100. 100 means what? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0. So this is a 20 answer. So this her name, what is there, Papa? Niharika coordinates, what is there? 225. And Preet coordinates 820. So how to solve? Here I given also. See, x is equal to 2 we will take. This x-axis value, this is the 2. Y is equal to 1/4 into 100 means you will get 25. So Niharika coordinates 2 and 25. Next, Preet coordinates, what is there? This is the 8. And 1/4 of Siva here. 1/5 of 100 means you will get 20. So Niharika 225 coordinates and Preet is 820 coordinates. Now what we will do means this distance we have to find. Which distance? These two flags here. This distance we have to find. Year to year distance, how much is there, we have to find. Distance means first we will do what? Distance formula. Distance formula, what is the formula? Distance between Niharika and Preet means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 whole square. First we will do that. This one, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. See here. First coordinates, what is there? Here I will write, say coordinates 225. Next coordinates 820. So here these two coordinates is here. Here Niharika, Preet. Niharika here coordinates 225 and Preet place coordinates 820. So first we will find this distance we have to find. Distance finding means distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See Baba, this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. X2 means what? 8. X1 means 2. 8 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means 20 minus 25 whole square under root. 8 minus 2, 6 square plus 20 minus 5, big number sign is the minus, it is a 5 whole square under root. See here, 6 is a 36, minus into minus is become a plus, again plus into plus you will get plus. 5 is a 25 under root. So what you will get to 5, 11, 3 to 5, 61 root. It is the distance. Where to where distance? See here, this flag to this flag distance how much is there means 61 root. 61 root means 61, it is the meter is there, so you can write it 61 meter is there. Okay, first one concept over. So now we find out the distance. So Niharika flag, Preet flag. These two distance how much is there over. Next again he is asking what? If the Rashmi has to post the blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So here 61 meters is 61 root meters is there now. Exactly she wanted to post middle. Middle is post means what are the coordinates are there, we have to find. See here find means what we will find? Midpoint theorem we have to find. Midpoint theorem means that first big formula we don't need to use. M1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. That big formula we don't need to use. Y means, see here, Y also I will say. See here Niharika, here Preet is there. See here, this distance is there. So here this is 225 is there. This is what is there, 225. Here 820 is there. This distance is 61 root came. This is first concept is over. Now we want a midpoint. Midpoint what means? We will use midpoint theorem. We will use. So here middle they have to use means exactly middle means it will divide into 1:1 ratio. 1:1 ratio. So 1:1 ratio means m1 m2 here 1 only is there. So what we will do, this formula what is there means x1 plus x2. When we will use this formula, only it is the mid 1:1 ratio time only we will use the this formula. Otherwise, we will use first formula only. See here, x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Next, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Why we will use this small formula means here 1 plus 1 you will get 2. Again here into 1 means again you will get x1 only. Again here into 1 means again you will get x1 only. So we can use x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Again y1 plus y2 divided by 2. See here, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. x1 means what? 2. 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Next, this is what? 25 plus 20 divided by 2. See here, 8 plus 2 how much? 10 by 2. 10 by 2. Next, this is 25 plus 20, 45 divided. This is not 22. 45 divided by 2. Cancel is possible. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So it is a fifth one. This one cancelled means 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 remain, 0.25 are 10. 22.5. So which place that middle flag coordinates what is there means 5 and 22.5. See here, this is 61 root and this formula we did means we will get 5 and so 22.5. But see here, where it will come means in the fifth row it will be who is this girl? Rashmi, which row it will come? Fifth row. And 22.5. 22.5 means 22nd part, 23rd part middle, it will come 22.5. So here parts are there, 1 more meter distance too. So fifth row, 22 and 23rd middle, she will post her flag. So you write the sentence also. Rashmi will post her flag in the fifth row between 22nd and 23rd flower plot is the answer. So simple Baba, this question is looking this much big, nothing. See, first you find, once again I will repeat, see, first you find Niharika coordinates. What is the Niharika coordinates? So 225. And next Preet coordinates. Preet coordinates, what is there? 820. 820. This coordinates how to do, here I given the information. So this coordinates after, first we will use distance formula. Distance formula use and you find the distance. You will get the distance how much? 61 root meter. This one after you have to find a midpoint. Midpoint finding means first formula don't need to use. Use this small formula only. So here what is there? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 means you will get answer 522.5. So where she will post her flag means you write like this sentence. Rashmi will post her flag in the fifth row between 22nd and 23rd flower part. You write it. Only this much. Question is looking this much big but very simple sum. Okay. I hope are you clear? I think. Any doubt also comment it. Subscribe my channel. Done.